Look at that. I wonder what that was. All right, obviously cleaned up a little bit here. It was kind of a mess. I was short on time. But we are back on track now. We got the thing cleaned in here. I had to get this cardboard because I needed something underneath the engine for the oil drips. And that meant I had to unpack my son's Christmas present. So now I got to assemble that. Oh well, at least I got my cardboard. Anyway, we're going to get the oil pan off of the old T5 and put it on this one so we can clean this thing. So we got the cleaning stage with some products right here for cleaning. Maybe we need to remove some paint. We'll try that. And we have the engine spray. This is what we're going to be using to paint the engine. It's the special edition. This is for when you don't want to use primer. We got some acid for cleaning off parts that need to be replated. So we're going to be doing that. We got gaskets for the entire engine basically. We got some oil filters. We have the wastegate relocation kit and the thread for the oil filter. We have cam belts, auxiliary belts with all the pulleys, tensioners, everything. We got gaskets. So basically we have a lot of parts here. So we should have no problem getting this engine back together, looking good within, I don't know, hopefully before Christmas, but we'll see. There's a lot going on around Christmas. I think all of you that have kids and stuff can relate to that. But I'm going to give it my best shot, see if we can make it. So yeah, let's get that oil pan on there. And here we can also see the difference between the 2014 model and the 2021. Look at that, what an upgrade. I can tell you guys, this one feels a lot better. That's a lot more stable than that old one. There's the wheel from the first episode of the T5 engine swap. Got those support legs that I probably will never use, but that's fine. Well, I don't know about you, but I think it will be a little bit difficult to get the oil pan off when you have the engine mount screwed into it. Ah. Oh well. If anyone is wondering, any last minute gift ideas, an impact would be nice, like one of those impact drivers to get these screws out. That would be very nice. You guys can put down in the comments there if you own one of those. Maybe you can give me some suggestions on which one's good or not. Alright guys, that is it for today. Tomorrow I am probably going to get started on washing the engine and getting it ready for paint. And once the painting is done, we're just going to start assembling everything. So hopefully, maybe, I'm not promising anything, but maybe the engine, like our new engine, will be where the old engine was by the end of next week. I don't know, we'll see. We'll see how much time I have. But until then, have a good one, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Hollywood, hey.